Hi everyone, it's Helen here. Today I will make a really highly requested sweet treat from Hanoi called BÁNH CÔM. As you might not know already, BÁNH CÔM is this young sticky rice flakes and it's one of Hanoi's culinary specialties. Authentic cơm must be flat, lime green, slightly chewy and sticky, and it smells really pleasant of the scent of fresh green rice. It has some elegant, fresh, simple flavor. Fresh cơm only is available in autumn, but luckily now we can buy the dry version in package all year round, and you might find it at the dry section at your local Asian store. About 100 years ago, a Hanoian woman came up with the ideas of making BÁNH CÔM so people could savor the taste of cơm all year round. And BÁNH CÔM is made of cơm, of course, and some mung bean filling, and it's a northern Vietnamese must-have for happy occasions like, weddings, engagements, and Lunar New Year. So let's begin.
Helen's recipes.
The ingredients you're gonna need: firstly, you want to chop up the pandan leaves and then blend with about 150 ml of water. Then drain and extract the green juice through a sieve and discard the fibrous green parts. Mix the pandan juice with the dry cơm flakes for about 1 hour. I'm using 1 cup of the dry cơm flakes today. This will give the cơm a stronger color and somewhat more fragrant smell of the pandan leaves too. So for the fillings, you also need to soak about half a cup of peeled split mung beans in water for at least 2 hours, and then drain and cook in a saucepan with half a cup of water. Bring to a boil and cook over medium-high heat. Remove the foam and stir occasionally so the mung bean will not stick to the base of the pan. And add a pinch of salt. Cook until most of the water is evaporated, and then cover the lid and keep the heat to very low. Cook for another 15 minutes until the beans are soft and mashable. Then you can turn off the heat and leave for another 5 minutes covered, so it has more time to become even more soft. Then transfer it into a food processor and add 50 grams of sugar, 50 ml of coconut milk, and blend into a smooth paste. Then transfer the paste to a non-stick pan and cook over low heat for about 8 to 10 minutes, constantly stirring and fold up so it won't stick to the base. This method is called chewy in Vietnamese. It helps to release water in the fillings and also have the sugar to incorporate better into the mung bean paste. Then you want to add 50 ml of vegetable oil gradually into the mung beans while mixing well. Also add the shredded young coconut and mix in. When the mung bean paste is formed into a dough and it's no longer stick to the pan and it's dry to the touch, you can take off the heat, leave to cool, and wrap in a piece of saran wrap so it won't dry out. Next, in a clean non-stick pan, dissolve sugar with about 1 cup of water over medium heat. When the sugar is well melted, add the soaked green sticky rice and mix vigorously over low heat. It will take about 8 to 10 minutes. When it's cooked, the cơm flakes break up and it's turned quite mushy and very, very sticky. You should have prepared about 6 to 8 square pieces of plastic in size of 15 by 15 centimeter and grease the surface with some vegetable oil to prevent sticking. When the cơm is cooked and still hot, scoop out a spoon and spread onto the greased piece of plastic wrapper. It's mega sticky, so please bear with me. Then you can divide the filling into about 40 gram portions and shape and flatten into a dish of about 5 centimeters in diameter. Then place the filling portion into the center and fold up the plastic wrap so that the green part will fully cover the filling. Shape and fold each corner of the wrapper in, and you get a really nice square piece of BÁNH CÔM. This is so much easier to shape when the sticky rice is still hot. When it's cool, it's not as sticky and it's a lot more difficult to shape. So look at that! Oh my god, I can't believe that I could make this at home. It is surprisingly not too difficult at all, and the cake stays in shape, and it has this elegant smell of cốm and pandan. When you have a bite, it's just so good. It's mighty sweet and it just tastes amazing. I hope you're gonna give it a try. And if you do, please share with me a photo on Instagram by inserting hashtag Helen Recipes. Also subscribe to my channel for more amazing Asian dessert like this and also Vietnamese food. Click like and click the bell button if you want to be notified next time my new video comes out. I will see you then next time. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.